Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going over how to green screen or rather remove a green screen or chroma key a background in Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I actually have two images here. That's because I want to show you that it works on other colors besides just green. Now, it should work just fine like this in the video, but I'm using still images for the purpose of this example. What you want to do is go to the effects library. If you have a screen like this, that's okay. Just click on this icon here. It will be effects, okay? Now, you want to go down to keying. This is an effect that you should have if you have the latest version of Final Cut Pro. If you can't find it, you can always search for it here. But yeah, keying, and then what we simply want to do is click, it will give us a preview if we hover over it of what it will do. In order to actually get to do that, we just need to drag it over here, okay? And like magic, it did its job. It turned it from, a green background to just erasing the background altogether. Now, it is worth noting that you can play around with the settings, find exactly what you want. You can change the strength. You can, you can change just about everything. You can even turn off the setting if you want it off temporarily or whatnot. And, you can really change a lot of detail, like with this one. We will do the same thing. We will apply this. It's pretty good the way it is, honestly. But what we will want to do is change the spill level. And that's because of the fact that the phone is changing as well. And yeah, now that we did this, if we want to refine more, we can just play around with the strength and all that jazz. Or we can actually go into here, this sphere. Basically, it affects everything that's black. Everything that's white stays. So what we might want to do is adjust this a bit so we get, stuff exactly how we want. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.